What are you saying, people? Back with a bang. It's Monday, first Monday of the month. Time to motivate you guys. 5 months left of the year. You can do a lot of good in 5 months. Make some money, get your body right, close a few deals, learn how to make more money, take a few trips, start a side hustle. So many things you could do. You can also let 5 months pass you by. More debt, more fat, more hate, giving it out, receiving it. Are you ready to stop being lazy or not? It's Monday, as you know. We've got to start the week right. Monday motivation for today. 5 months left, people. Learn how to make some more money. Start a side hustle. Find a better job. That's what I want a lot of you guys to try and look into. Finding a better job. Start your own business, like me. Time Get Watches. I've talked about this in so many videos. Check out the link in the description. This weekend, sold 2 watches. I was very happy, one on Saturday, one on Sunday. Didn't mention them in each video because I was waiting to see if I could sell more, but now the weekend's over. Sold 2 of the watches. And I'm grateful because starting that business just brings in money on the weekend, brings in money anytime. You can be asleep, you can be out with your friends, you can be at hotels, you can be at parties. Making money is what we all want to do. That's why you're watching The Money Management. But 5 months left. Find a new side hustle like I did. Feel free to message me on social media, anything. 5 months will pass you by like this. It will fly by. Before you know it, you'll have more debt. You'll have, a worse body. You'll get more hate. You'll be giving out more hate. You'll be unhappy with your life. Don't let December 31st hit and be like, can't believe it. It's happened again. 2020 is my year. No. Go into 2020 with momentum. Continue from now. Start now if you've not started. It's just 5 months, people. Honestly. Learn how to make more money. Go to the library, pick up a book, read. I'm going to the library today. You should also go to the library today. That's my advice for you today. Find a better job, like I said. Take a few trips. I'm taking a few trips in the next 5 months. 3 trips so far. Last month I was on a trip. The month before I was on a trip. You guys know this. Do the same. You'll never come back the same person. You'll learn so much from it. Make money, people. Make money. Come on, there's so many ways out there. Real estate, stocks, e-commerce, sales, flipping things. There are so many ways, guys. There's really no excuse. If you want to learn how to make money, you can. But you've got to apply yourself. There are enough things to do. I've told you this. Don't let 5 months pass you by. The month of August is just beginning. Let's go out and do what we need to do, guys. Continue throughout September, October, November. Finish the year strong in December. Do what you need to do. Put in the work. If you just do the work, you're going to learn either way. You might succeed, you might not succeed, but you're going to learn. That's better than stagnating. It's better than, decreasing, declining. It's better than that. Do the right thing, guys, honestly. Today's Monday, a new start to the week. Go out and make some money. Go out and make some money. Make some money. Make some. Come on. Find a way. Get your body right. Get in shape. Take a break off social media. Just those kind of things. Take a month to just do something different. 30 days. Do a 30-day challenge. That's what I did 2 months ago, 30-day challenge. Challenge yourself to be active every day. Whether that's jump rope, running, going to the gym, being active. Go on, do it. Just try. See what happens. Guys, please do it. Don't just listen to me and watch the video. I'm doing it, so you should do it. I'm here to help you become better every day. So, help me help you. Check out my other videos on the channel. Be here tomorrow for another video, guys. I've got money to be making. See you tomorrow for another video. Peace.